Hey, so this is a really quick little fix for Ray Arrow show, which I've definitely butchered, but on the Circle Forums. So the issue you're having is I've slowed them down massively, but when you combine Flex with these, it's not Pill, it's Petal, I think they're called buttons. On Squarespace, it turns them into square rectangular buttons. So it's a really easy-ish fix. Well, it's pretty short. If you just look really quickly, though, so you'll notice that basically the issue is this. It's this before element here. So when you're hovering, what's happening is it's creating a clip path for the animation. So I've got this test site up here, and as you can see, the same issue's happening. Flex and Petal doesn't work. So the solution is if you bust open your inspect tool and you find the before element, which is this one here. You've got a whole lovely list of classes. Let's just find you here. If you paste them into your custom CSS and open up some curly brackets, and then it's really easy. In fact, let me just first copy this transition here and paste that in there. So just to make it really obvious, if I slow it right down, you can see especially that bottom right corner where it's clipping. So the fix you need to do is literally target the button itself. There we go. Look in its CSS for its border radius, which is 16 pixels by 0 pixels. Copy that in here, border radius 16 px, 0 px, and voila. Now, the only thing is because it's using a clip path, as you can see, the text disappears once it starts to overlay it, which is only really noticeable if you slow the transition right down like this. But at normal speed, it's pretty instantaneous. And that will do it for all of the buttons. I don't have one up there, but you know what? It's probably quicker, rather, if I just edit here for you. And I'll show you on your site. So here we go. Border radius 16 pixels by 0 pixels. And obviously, if you had changed that, you would need to do it separately yourself. But there you go. And it works for them all. So hope that is helpful for you. One other thing, though, is I think if you copy the CSS, I've updated it. If you are doing it yourself and you're copying from the inspect tool, just make sure that you don't have the section specific, color theme specific classes like bright and light, bold, and all of that. Anyway, hope it helps. I'll paste the code in the box below.